7 things you will need to know when visiting Portugal. 1. The capital of Portugal is Lisbon. In Portuguese, Lisbon is called Lisboa, but you don't have to say Lisboa when speaking in English. The second largest city is Porto. You can also call it Oporto in English, but you shouldn't. 2. Yes, the Açores and Madeira are also a part of Portugal. No, you can't get there with a bicycle, even if the tide is low. The Algarve is also a part of Portugal, more or less. 3. Depending on where you come from and what your heritage is, it is very likely that Portuguese people will see you're not a local. Even if they don't, they will know when you say something. This isn't a cause for concern because we enjoy having you here. 4. Don't bother reporting those people trying to sell you drugs in downtown Lisbon to the police. What they're selling aren't real drugs, so the police won't bother with them. 5. In case you heard of the Golden Visa, a system in which the Portuguese government would award visas to foreign nationals in exchange for investment, there are good news and bad news. The bad news are that it is ending. The good news is that you will always have a platinum visa into our hearts. 6. Portugal isn't Spain. You may think it looks like Spain or it sounds like Spain, but it isn't. It never was. You can even read some history and use the Iberian Union that lasted 60 years as an argument, but then we'll have to call Australia and Canada to give us their opinion about the possibility of 2 separate countries sharing a head of state. 7. Sometimes Portugal is Spain, kind of. In our love of smoked meats, for example, or seafood, or screaming at a screen when a football game is on. And we also share some supermarkets, stores, brands, traditions, and vocabulary. We used to share Cristiano Ronaldo too, but what is a Cristiano Ronaldo, you ask? You know, I don't remember either. Por favor, subscrevam o canal, façam like e ajudem-me a alimentar este ornitorrinco. Também dou aulas no italki e vendo material para aprender português. Os links estão na descrição. Não querem que o bicho passe fome, pois não?